Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta GLI Autobahn. This one here is fitted with the DSG transmission. Monster mats. Very good sized trunk. Find a way to hang this. There we go. Take a look at the sticker. Tornado red over Titan black leather, 7-speed DSG. Total price of $32,324. Really nice, honestly, for a fully loaded performance, entry-level performance car. That's what I kind of consider the GLI is your entry-level performance car. Of course, its platform mate is the Mark 7 GTI. Plenty of room back here. These seats are really comfortable. Love the black leather. Thing's nice, soft touch. And easy to get in and out. Horn test. See your aluminum pedals. Ventilated seats, heated seats, everything you would ever need. Start in normal drive. Normal drive shifts are a little bit smoother. Sport mode increases the idle speed. On the highway, it just cruises really well. Of course, it may share a platform with the GTI, but it does not share the interior. Of course, for 2019, I do believe, the Jetta got a full redesign, and that came with a totally new interior. My favorite mode to drive the DSG in is manual. Just because everything you want it to do, it does. It almost knows what you want to do before you do it. It's very, very... It's almost like PDK. Of course, it's like a long-lost relative because Porsche is part of Volkswagen Auto Group. So it's a similar system. Of course, tuning between the two is a little bit different. But, I mean, I've not driven a bad G-blank-I car. The GLIs are fantastic. The GTIs are absolutely sensational. And honestly, me and salesman working at VW both agreed that this is a bargain for what you're getting. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.